The Ford Tractor Hydraulic Lift Adjustment. This video is brought to you by Just 8 N's Ford Tractor Parts and Restoration Service. This procedure applies to Ford tractors built from 1939 to 1952. The adjustment procedure uses the Just 8 N's LG500 lift jig. This jig makes the lift adjustment simple, fast, and accurate in 9 simple steps. Step 1. Put the draft and position control lever in the vertical position. Step 2. Mount the Just 8 N's LG500 lift jig to the lift housing in the location and orientation as shown, using two 21-449S mounting bolts and 7/16 14 hex nuts. The bolts are 3 5/8 inches long. Step 3. Rotate the lift arms to the full up position. Step 4. Move the quadrant hand lever arm to a position 2 inches before the maximum rearward or up position. Step 5. Back off the castle nut on the 8N683 drawbar control rod. Step 6. Rotate the 8N504 lift control lever until the tip of the lever is aligned with the notch in the lift jig. Step 7. Screw the control rod in or out until the head of the rod just touches the flat on the lift control lever. Step 8. Tighten the castle nut on the control rod to lock the rod in position. Step 9. Install the hydraulic lift on the tractor. Then loosen the 4 mounting bolts of the quadrant assembly. The final adjustment of the lift is done by moving the quadrant horizontally forward or backwards until the lift arms start actuating at the correct lever position. Move the lever to the most rearward position, then by rotating it forward, the arm should start moving downward when the lever is 2 inches from the most rearward position. The arm should move proportionally downward as the lever arm is rotated and should be in the fully down position when the lever is 2 inches before the most forward position. Likewise, the arm should start moving upward when the lever is 2 inches from the most forward position. Adjust the horizontal position of the quadrant until the proper operation is achieved. To see more videos from Just 8 N's, remember to like and subscribe.